How to use TD cashback credit card. Now, this specific feature that has on TD Bank is actually rewards based. So what you want to do is to make purchases so that you'll get rewards out of those transactions. And once you already have accumulated certain amount of rewards, you can now then earn or use the TD cashback credit card. To use them, all you have to do is to either use or go into their application, and then you could also do this via their web version into the TD Bank's official site. Log in into your account and then go directly into your manage your account and rewards. And there you should be able to see or check out your current balance specifically for your rewards. Just simply click on that and you will be given out a bunch of options on what you would like to do with your current rewards. And that is how you use TD Cashback Credit Card.